In today's digitally transformed world, it's easy to recognize the value of technology that streamlines manufacturing processes and amplifies operational performance. But when a facility uses multiple software solutions for different tasks, the operation systems become siloed, which can result in fragmented and potentially untapped data and outdated information. Without proper optimization, manufacturing processes may suffer from bottlenecks, unplanned downtime, and labor disruptions. Now, imagine conducting a manufacturing operation where all of your data seamlessly integrates, where every machine communicates to one source, and where every decision is monitored and orchestrated by one manufacturing execution system, even across multiple plants. Proficy Smart Factory, Cloud MES, part of the Proficy software family from GE Vernova, has the power to collect your plant's data and manage and optimize your operations all within one harmonious system. This powerful cloud-based MES solution is highly scalable, growing as your production grows, and is able to meet the needs of all types of manufacturing environments, whether process, discrete, or mixed. Proficy Smart Factory offers benefits in efficiency, quality, and production management, such as improvements in overall equipment effectiveness, right first-time production, the ability to track and trace genealogy of products, and electronic batch records. GE Vernova's leading Proficy manufacturing solutions are now available as a managed service, hosted in the cloud. Choose cloud-only or mixed cloud and on-prem MES to meet your enterprise needs. Proficy Smart Factory Cloud MES offers all the same features as on-prem MES, but with the added benefit of not requiring a local IT team to handle tasks. GE Vernova can host and maintain your entire manufacturing execution system from the cloud, taking care of the OS and other patches, the MES upgrades, backups, and disaster recovery. When compared to on-premises MES solutions, GE Vernova's Cloud MES has been proven to reduce manufacturing software costs by up to 30%, while accelerating time to value. Moving to the cloud offers additional benefits, such as increased security with full monitoring and faster turnaround for security patches, reduce total cost of ownership by eliminating planned downtime for upgrades, less on-prem hardware to purchase, and the ability to leverage cloud-based analytics that make it easy to compare data across your entire enterprise. Just as a symphony conductor brings together different sections of instruments to create harmonious music, Proficy Smart Factory in the cloud ensures that different aspects of your manufacturing operation work together in harmony to optimize performance. And just as the symphony requires timing and coordination among musicians to produce the desired sound, Proficy Smart Factory provides real-time operations management, enabling precise coordination of your manufacturing processes to achieve efficiency and effectiveness. GE Vernova has been recognized by Gartner as a leader in the Magic Quadrant for Manufacturing Execution Systems for its Proficy Smart Factory software solution, along with being one of the few companies named a Customer's Choice in MES by Gartner. No matter where you are in your digital transformation journey, GE Vernova has a solution to meet your unique manufacturing environment's needs. Achieve harmony in your operations with Proficy Smart Factory Cloud MES, available on the AWS Marketplace. The download and installation process is fast and simple, and all of our latest product documentation and how-to guides are available online. Visit the Proficy Smart Factory Cloud MES page on our website to learn more.